In this video, I will tell you about most liked top 10 Bollywood mothers from 1990 to 2020. Number 10. Asha Parakh, born in 1942. Best movie Bhagyavan, 1994. Role Savitri. Number 9. Rohini Hattangarh, born in 1955. Best movie Keher, 1997. Role Krishna Mother. Number 8. Kiron Kher, born in 1955. Best movie Curse in 2002. Role Savitri Devi. Number 7. Neena Kulkarni, born in 1955. Best movie Badal in 2000. Role Simran Singh Soni Mother. Number 6. Mousumi Chatter, born in 1948. Best movie Aap Laut Chale in 1999. Role Rama Khanna. Number 5. Samita Jayakar, born in 1955. Best movie Devdas in 2002. Role Kaushalya Mukherjee Devdas Mother. Number 4. Sushma Seth, born in 1936. Best movie Shankara in 1991. Role Rani Ma. Number 3. Aruna Irani, born in 1946. Best movie Doodh Ka Qarz in 1990. Role Parvati. Number 2. Rakhi Gulzar, born in 1947. Best movie Karan Arjun in 1995. Role Durga Devi Singh. Number 1. Farida Jalal, born in 1949. Best movie Salakhen, 1998. Role Gayatri wife Schoolmaster. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel Truth of the World.